Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your maths teacher. It's your maths book of class 7. Now open your book page 16, exercise 1.4, question number 1. If u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, then find A union B and A intersection B in each of the following cases and draw their Venn diagrams. Now students, define Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? A pictorial representation of a set is called Venn diagram. It was invented by mathematician Venn. It makes set and operation on set easy to understand. Now we have another definition. Concept of sets with the help of Venn diagram, union, intersection, difference and complement of sets can be explained easily with the help of Venn diagrams. In these diagrams, a set usually represented by a circle and the universal set is represented by a rectangle. Now students, we have a different shapes of Venn diagram. Venn diagram of union. When we have a question of union, then we will shade all the circle. Venn diagram of intersection of two sets. When we have intersection question, only common elements, only inner circle will be shaded. Now Venn diagram of A difference B and B difference A. Let's see, we have two circles, outer circle and inner circle. Venn diagram of disjoint. If we have two disjoint sets, then shape will be like that. Now Venn diagram of overlapping sets, we will draw it like that if we have overlapping set. Now Venn diagram of complement. If we have a complement question, then we will draw it like that. Now here we discuss for a question. Here first we discussed that Venn diagram of union, where A is the subset of set B. Let's see, A is 2, 3 and B is 2, 3, 4, 5 and universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for example. Now A is the subset of set B, then union is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see the Venn diagram, how we will draw it. Now we draw a block, rectangular block. We will write U, universal set. We will draw two circles because we are doing Venn diagram of two sets. Now A is the subset of set B, that's why we will write the inner circle is A and the outer circle is B. Now the elements of A is 2 and 3 and element of B is 4 and 5. Now all the answer is 2, 3, 4, 5 and the leftover elements in universal set, that is 1 and 6, I will write here. We have written here. Now in union we will shade all the circles. Now let's see another question we have. If when B is the subset of set A. Now here B is the subset 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what is the Venn diagram. Now we will draw a block and U will universal set. B is the subset of set A, that's why we will write the inner circle B and outer is A. The answer of 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A, that's why we will write over here. And leftover elements of it, that is 4 and 5. And all will be shaded because it's a union. And leftover element of universal element, that is a 6. We will write over here. Let's see another type. When A and B are disjoint sets. Let's see. A is 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's a disjoint set. Let's see how we will do the union. This is the figure of disjoint sets A and B, where the elements of A is 1, 2, 3. Elements of B is 4, 5, 6. It's a union. That's why we will shade all the circle. And let's see in universal we have no more element because all the elements are in A and B. Now let's see next. A and B are overlapping sets. Now the union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is the Venn diagram? Let's see. We will draw a block and universal we will write. This is the figure of overlapping set. 3 and 4 common in both set. That's why we will write in the middle of set A and B. And element of A is 1, 2. Element of B is 5, 6 left over. Now it will be shaded all the circle because we are doing union. Now we have another union, that is a Venn diagram of intersection. How we will do it? When A is a subset of set B in intersection, let's see, A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A intersection B is 1, 2. Here we will discuss the Venn diagram. In intersection, only common elements will be shaded. Let's see, the inner circle is A because the A is the subset of set B, that's why, and outer circle will be B. Leftover element of B is 3 and 4, and leftover element in universal set that are 5 and 6. Now, when B is the subset of set A, how we will do the intersection here? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now A intersection B is 1, 2, 3. Now B is the subset of set A, that's why now B is the inner circle and A is the outer circle. We are doing intersection, that's why 1, 2, 3 is a common element, it will be shaded, and leftover elements in A, that is 4 and 5, and leftover element of universal set is 6. Now when A and B are disjoint sets, A and B are disjoints, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, A intersection B is empty. Now empty is our answer. The Venn diagram of disjoint set in intersection. Let's see, this is a figure of disjoint. We will write the circle in A, first circle, second B. Element of A is 1, 2, 3. Element of B is 4, 5. Leftover element in universal, that is a 6. And here we can't shade it because we have an answer is empty. Number 4 is when A and B are overlapping sets in intersection. Let's see, A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. The answer is 3, 4. Now overlapping. This is the figure of overlapping. You know that 3 and 4 is a common elements in both sets. It's a overlapping, that's why only 3, 4 will be shaded, and leftover element of A is 2. Element of leftover of set is 5, and leftover elements of universal that are 1 and 6. It's your answer. Now let's see. We have a question in exercise 1.4, page 16. Question number 1. You can do it at your home and send it to me comments in your comment box. Thank you, students.